Hello! Today I'm doing something insane. I'm going to build an entire city using only black thread. No paint, no pens, just me, a canvas, and a ton of thread. And it's going to take hours. My art is definitely not like this, but like this. And this might just be the craziest thing I've ever made. And now the canvas and the string. The sketch is important. Well, here I realized that this was a mistake. Don't do it like I did. So first we are going to take just the needle and we are going to do like this. Well, that was taking so long and I had another idea. So we're going to take just a pencil to make it easier and faster and more secure. If you ever wondered what it's like to stab a canvas 1,000 times, it's weirdly satisfying. So we did half of it. That's how it looks at the front and the back. Okay, second lesson from my mistake. Don't make your thread too long, because this happens. Trying to fix my mistake, I can't fix it anymore. Guess what? Another mistake! I forgot to erase a little the sketch. All right, we're back on track. The thread's flowing, the needle's moving, and this city is finally starting to come alive. Again, this part. And if you are thinking what to do with the back, like I am doing, then you are just gonna let the needle a little longer and you're gonna tie together with another like this. And cut! If you think this is crazy, wait until you see what I'm doing next. So hit that subscribe button and let's go to 4,000 subscribers, so I can see you in the next one. Uh-oh, not the back, not the back. Okay, now we're good. Okay, but seriously, did anyone else just notice it's suddenly 11 p.m.? I swear it was 6, like 2 seconds ago. Thread length used so far, 14.7 meters. Needle dropped, 3 times current vibe, mild insanity. Calories burned, probably 0. I thought this is gonna take hours, but it's taking days. Well, do you want to see how it looks on the light? Here it is. All right, from this point on, it's all transitions. No breaks, just thread and time, and watch the city come alive. I just left, bought more thread. I bought more because... And let's just ignore the lights, I found it now. And finish! Let me show you the back first. And now the front.